Houjik lamdam asida thokliba Irang Asi Congress Party na Maru Hullambani Haina Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren Congress na Maral Sirakli ANI na lauba akanaba interview amada India ki hanagi Union Home Minister P. Chidambaram na Manipuri matang na fongdoki wafam amadi Chief Minister masada tongan ba Maral kaya Sirakliba adugi matang na paladuna Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren hai India ki maru oiba luchingba ama oiba P. Chidambaram na Manipuri matangda social media da thadorokpa warol amadi Chief Minister mahak masamukta Maral kaya Sirakliba asi angapa pawi mahaki wangang asina mahak na Manipur amadi North East region asi kupna khangde amadi region asi matam kuina India gi luchingba singna nathaiduna thamduna laki haibadu mayek sengna takni Houjik lamdam asida thokliba Irang asi thokhanbada P. Chidambaram gi khut chawna yawi Congress na lengak paiba matam amadi mahakna India gi Union Home Minister oiba matamda Thanglai Pau Guite Kauba Myanmar macha ase India na pusilakchuna miyoi asina chairman oiba Zomi Revolutionary Army ZRA ga suspension of operation su agreement sign tawrakibane Congress ke luchingba singna North East region ke miyam maru oina region asigi yelhomi singi damak kari amata khankide Houjik lamdam asida thokliba Irang ase Congress Party na Maru Hullambani lamdam asida ngasi thengnariba makhal khudimaki charangnaba phibam ase Congress na thokhanbane Houjik thokliba Irang ase kang masal gi marakta thokpa Irang nate lo kaina Myanmar dagi changlakpa mitop singa lamdam asigi yelhomi singi marakta thokpa Irang ne ngasi thokliba Irang ase matam kaya gi mamang dagi maru hunkiba Irang amane masi Congress na maru hunkibane Yufam yautaba propaganda sundokuna Manipur amadi North East region da charang naba thokhan naba singanu haina Chief Minister na makata ke
Due to the ignorance of some of the central leaders, mainly during the Congress time, Sri Chidambaram is the key person. He is the root cause of the present crisis. I'll tell openly because when he was the Home Minister of the then Congress government, and here in Manipur, Sri Oibobi was the Chief Minister. During their time, they brought a Myanmarese foreigner, Mr. Guite, Thanglen Pao Guite, who is a Myanmarese born, and he himself admitted one of the interview that he contested MP in Myanmar. That person is the chairman of the Zomi Revolutionary Army based in Myanmar. But I'm surprised how Mr. Chidambaram, here is a photograph. This is the Chidambaram, the then Union Home Minister of the Congress. Here is the Thanglen Pao Guite, the chairman of the Zomi Revolutionary Army, who are from Myanmar. They never care about the Northeast peoples. They never care about the indigenous peoples. The present crisis is not an ethnic conflict. The present crisis is the problem of illegal migration from the Myanmar with drugs, and they try to dominate the indigenous populations of Manipur.